Today, guys, we're reviewing Kind Patches Dopamine, the patches everyone's been talking about on TikTok. Do they actually boost your mood, or is it just hype? Let's find out. What are they? Well, Kind Patches are bright yellow stickers you wear on your skin for 8 hours. They claim to boost dopamine, the brain chemicals that controls motivation, mood, and focus. Each patch contains 4 key ingredients: mucuna pruriens for dopamine support, 5-HTP for serotonin, lion's mane mushroom for mental clarity, and rhodiola for stress. The idea is these ingredients absorb through your skin and into your bloodstream, skipping your digestive system. Here's the science. The patches use something called transdermal delivery, which means the ingredients pass through your skin. This method is proven to work for certain medications like nicotine patches or Parkinson's drugs. However, not all ingredients can pass through skin easily. The molecules need to be small and fat-based to work. Kind Patches claim their formula is designed for this, but they don't share detailed absorption data. Reviews are mixed. Some users on Amazon and social media say the patches made them feel more balanced and focused. One reviewer mentioned less brain fog and better energy after a few days. Others noticed they felt calmer and stopped impulse shopping for dopamine hits. But not everyone agrees. Some Trustpilot reviews say they felt zero difference after weeks of use. Few users also reported skin irritation or jitteriness from rhodiola, which acts like a mild stimulant. By the way, guys, they are not FDA approved. The company clearly states these patches are not meant to treat or cure anything. They're wellness supplements, not medicine. Second, there's no peer-reviewed research proving Kind Patches work specifically. The ingredients themselves have studies supporting their benefits when taken orally, but transdermal delivery is different. Also, at around $12 for 30 patches, they add up over time. So, does it work? It depends. Some people genuinely feel better wearing them, while others notice nothing. The ingredients are legit and backed by research, but how well do they absorb through your skin? That's unclear. If you're curious and have money to spare, they might be worth trying. Just remember, they're not a magic fix. Good sleep, exercise, and stress management still matter most. That's the honest review, guys. Have you tried them? Let me know, and thanks for watching.